So Catchbox is a throwable microphone for audience engagement. So normally when you have a conference or a lecture or wherever you have an audience basically and you want to engage that audience, normally what you do is you take a stick microphone and pass it from one person to another in the audience. But we thought that that's not really the most engaging way of interacting. So we figured that there must be a better way of doing this, and we basically designed a microphone that you can throw. So it's more like a toy, like a soft piece of hardware that you can actually throw into the audience. My background is in design. I studied 4 years in Lahti for my bachelor's as industrial design, and then a couple of more years here in School of Arts in Helsinki for my master's. My role in this company has always been in design originally, and that was really what I was, why I got involved in this project was that I can design hardware goods. That's what I love to do. That's where I'm at my strongest. But now that we have the product done, my role has kind of like shifted more. Like we're still doing a lot of research and development and design as part of that. But my role has also shifted more towards working with the customers, doing marketing and doing also even sales. I guess that role of design in general in this company has always been pretty strong. That we have a really great team. I mean, the core team behind the product. We have a very multidisciplinary group of people. We have an engineer, a business strategist, and myself as a designer. Guys, completely different backgrounds coming together, and yeah, it's really something that design has always been there from the first day. So that's also something that I feel like where we kind of succeeded, and how I believe that design should be implemented in the companies, not only in startups but also in bigger enterprises. Design thinking is something that we use every day. We think a lot with our hands, even in like silly strategy meetings when things are super abstract. We always try to really get down to tangibles. It's a way to communicate really for our team. As I mentioned, our other team members, their background is not in design, but they are very open for different kinds of opinions, and it wasn't always so. But I feel like it's also important to bring that kind of new perspective and new way of looking at things from my angle to this team.